Good morning, students. We were doing chapter number 11, the proposal, and yesterday we had read it up till page number 148. Today we will start from page number 149, and in this chapter till here we had read that Lomov comes to Chubukov's house and he wants to get married with Chubukov's daughter, whose name was Natalia. And when they were just talking, when the conversation had just started, at that time there comes the dispute of the land. Means they talk about the land which their parents or they were having, and now the conflict was, the talk was about oxen meadows. Natalia was saying that Natalia and her father is the owner of oxen meadows, while Lomov says that he and his ancestors were the owner of that land. So Natalia says, they were talking about the land. She was saying that the land is ours, while Lomov says that the land was theirs. So Natalia says, it's not true, I'll prove it. I'll send my Moors out to the meadows this very day. Natalia says that you are wrong. I will prove that the land is ours, and I'll send my crop cutters. Moors are the crop cutters. I'll send my crop cutters today to the meadows. Lomov says, what? Natalia says, my Moors will be there this very day. My crop cutters will go there today only, and they will cut the crop. Lomov, I will give it to them in the neck. And he says that I will give them in the neck. मतलब मैं उनकी गर्दन में मारूंगा, उनकी पिटाई करूंगा. Natalia, you dare, तेरी हिम्मत कैसे हुई इतना बोलने की? Lomov clutches at his heart, means holds the heart. Oxen meadows are mine. You understand? Mine. Natalia, please don't shout. You can shout yourself hoarse in your own house, but here I must ask you to restrain yourself. So Natalia says that don't shout. You can shout at any voice when you are in your own house, but you have no right to shout in our house. Natalia बोलती है अपने घर जाके जितना मर्जी चिल्लाना, लेकिन हमारे घर में चिल्लाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Lomov, if it wasn't madam for this awful excruciating palpitation, awful is bad, excruciating palpitation means great beating. If it wasn't madam for this bad great beating, if my whole inside wasn't upset, I would talk you in a different way. कहता, if my inner soul was not different, then I must have talked you in a different way. Natalia says ours. Lomov says mine. Natalia says ours. Natalia says ours because Natalia and her father are living in the house, while Lomov says mine because Lomov was alone in his house. Lomov mine. And in the meantime, Chubukov enters. Chubukov, what's the matter? What are you shouting for? Natalia, Papa, please tell this gentleman who owns oxen meadows, we or he? Natalia कहती, पापा इसको बताओ, इस आदमी को कि who is the owner of oxen meadows? Chubukov, darling, the meadows are ours. Chubukov says that, my dear daughter, we are the owner of oxen meadows. Lomov says, but please, Stepan Stepanovich, how can they be yours? Lomov कहता है, वो तुम्हारे कैसे हो सकते हैं? Do be a reasonable man. My aunt's grandmother gave the meadows for temporary and free use of their grandfathers, of your grandfather's peasants. कि मेरे aunt के grandmother ने तुम्हारे जो peasants थे, तुम्हारे grandfather के peasants थे, जो उनको temporary use के लिए ये जमीन दी थी. The peasants used the land for 40 years. Peasants ने 40 years के लिए land को use किया and got accustomed to it as if it was their own. और फिर उन्होंने ऐसा behave करने शुरू कर दिया जैसे कि ये land उनकी अपनी है. When it happened that Chubukov, excuse me, my precious, you forget just this, that the peasants didn't pay your grandmother and all that. Because the meadows were in dispute. फिर चुबुकोव कहता है एक बात का ध्यान रखना कि किसी ने भी तुम्हारी ग्रैंडमदर को कोई पैसे नहीं दिए क्योंकि जो मीडोज थे वो डिस्प्यूटेड थे. इस चीज का अभी डिसीजन नहीं हुआ था कि हु इज द एक्चुअल ऑनर. डिस्प्यूटेड चीज कौन सी होती है? जिसका कोई ऑनर ना हो. सो and now everybody knows that they are ours. It means that you haven't seen the plan. Lomov, I'll prove to you that they are mine. Chubukov, you won't prove it, my darling. Lomov कहता मैं प्रूव कर दूंगा कि ये लैंड मेरी है. चुबुकोव बोलता है तुम्हें प्रूव करने की जरूरत नहीं है, my dear. Lomov says I shall. Chubukov says dear one, why yell like that? Yell means shout. Why are you shouting like that? You won't prove anything just by yelling. Says that by shouting you are not going to prove yourself. I don't want anything of yours and don't intend to give up what I have. What should I? Why should I? And you know, my beloved, that if you propose to go on arguing about it, I would much sooner give up the meadows to the peasants than to you, dear. Chubukov कहता है, don't argue with me over this matter, and if you argue with me for a long time, then instead of giving the meadows to you, I will give the meadows to the peasants. अगर मेरे साथ ज्यादा आर्ग्यूमेंट्स करोगे तो मैं लैंड जो है वो peasants को ही दे दूंगा. Lomov, I don't understand. How have you the right to give away somebody else's property? Lomov कहता है कि मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि तुम्हें क्या राइट है, तुम्हें क्या अधिकार है किसी और की प्रॉपर्टी को छूने का. Chubukov, you may take it that I know whether I have the right or not. Chubukov says that कि तुम्हें ये पता है कि मुझे राइट है या नहीं है. Because young man, I am not used to being spoken to in that tone of voice. क्योंकि मेरे को इस टोन में बात करना अच्छा नहीं लगता. And so on. I, young man, am twice your age. And Chubukov says to Lomov that my age is twice than yours. तुम्हारी उम्र से दुगनी है मेरी एज. And ask you to speak to me without agitating yourself and all that. So ask you, I want you to speak to me by making your, don't speak to me by making yourself excited. कि मेरे साथ इतनी एक्साइटमेंट में बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Lomov says, no, you just think I am a fool and want to have me on. You call my land yours and then you want me to talk to you calmly and politely. Good neighbors don't behave like that, Stephen. फिर लोमोव कहता है कि जो अच्छे नेबर होते हैं they don't behave like you, Stephen. You are not a neighbor, you are a grabber. Grab होता है छीनना. So Lomov says to Chubukov that the good neighbors don't behave like you, and you are not behaving like good neighbors, but you are behaving as if you are going to grab my property. Chubukov, what's that? What did you say? Chubukov says, what are you saying? Natalia, Papa, send the mowers out to the meadows at once. Mowers, as I have told you already, are the crop cutters, crop ko kaatne wale. So Natalia says that, Papa, send the mowers to the meadows at once. Chubukov, what did you say, sir? Chubukov कहता tum क्या बोल रहे हो? Natalia, oxen meadows are ours and I shan't give them up. Shan't give them up, shan't give them up. नतल्या कहती कि ये लैंड हमारी है और मैं इसे किसी भी कीमत पे नहीं छोड़ने वाली हूँ. Lomov says, we'll see. I'll have the matter taken to court and then I'll show you. Lomov says that I'll take the whole matter to the court. अब क्या होता है, जिस मैटर का डिसीजन आसानी से ना हो उस मैटर को कहाँ ले जाया जाता है? कोर्ट में ले जाया जाता है. So Lomov says that I will take you to the court. Chubukov, to court? You can take it to court and all that. You can, I know you. You are just on the lookout for a chance to go to court. and all that. You pettifogger. Pettifogger are clever person. So Chubukov says that you are a clever person and you can't do anything beyond taking the case to the court. All your people were like that, all of them. And then Chubukov adds that all the people of your family were like you. Lomov, never mind about my people. The Lomov have all been honorable people, and not one has ever been tried for embezzlement. Tried for embezzlement means tried for using money in a wrong way. Lomov बोलता है that all the Lomovs are very respectable people, कि सारे लोमोव्स बड़े रिस्पेक्टेबल थे और कोई भी लोमोव ऐसा नहीं था जिसने who would have used the money in a wrong way as your grandfather. लोमोव कहता है कि कोई भी लोमोव ऐसा नहीं था तुम्हारे ग्रैंडफादर की तरह जिसने पैसे का गलत यूज किया हो. Chubukov, you Lomovs have had lunacy in your family, all of you. Lunacy is madness. So Chubukov says that you all Lomovs were mad. Madness was there in everyone in your family. Natalya, all. Natalya says कि सभी आप पागल थे. Chubukov, your grandfather was a drunkard. अब Chubukov ऐड करता है कि कौन कैसा था. कहता तुम्हारा ग्रैंडफादर ड्रंकर्ड था. योर यंगर आंट नस्तास्या मिहाइलोवना रैन अवे विद एन आर्किटेक्ट. तुम्हारी जो छोटी आंट थी वो एक आर्किटेक्ट के साथ भाग गई थी. एंड सो ऑन, और भी एग्जाम्पल्स ऐड करता है. फिर लोमोव बोलता है चुबुकोव को एंड यू, कहता अपने बारे में सोच. योर मदर वॉज हम्पबैक्ड. हम्पबैक्ड होता है विद कर्व इन बैक, ऐसे जैसे केयों की बैक झुकी हुई होती है, इस तरीके की तुम्हारी मदर थी. क्लचेस एट हिज हार्ट, समथिंग पुलिंग इन माई साइड माई हेड. पढ़ा था ना हमने कि लोमोव को कोई प्रॉब्लम थी कि जब वो ज्यादा सोचता था, जब बोलता था कि तो उसकी लेफ्ट साइड जो है वो उसमें ऐसे धक्के से लगने शुरू हो जाते थे. सो ही स्टार्ट्स फीलिंग दैट. He says something pulling in my side, my head, help, water. Chubukov says, your father was a guzzling gambler. Guzzling gambler means, gambler पता है आपको क्या होता है? जो जुआ खेलने वाला होता है. Guzzler gambler क्या होता है? जो ड्रंकर्ड भी होता है, मतलब शराबी भी होता है और जुआ भी खेलता है. And there haven't been many backbiters to equal your aunt. और तुम्हारी आंट के बराबर कोई बैकबाइटर नहीं था, कि जितनी चुगलियां तुम्हारी आंट करती थी इतनी कोई भी नहीं करता था. फिर चुबुको बोलता है माई लेफ्ट फुट हैज गॉन टू स्लीप. मेरा लेफ्ट फुट सो रहा है. यू आर एन इंट्रीगर. इंट्रीगर मीन्स प्लानर. तुम एक प्लानर हो. ओह माई हार्ट, इट्स एन ओपन सीक्रेट दैट बिफोर द लास्ट इलेक्शंस यू breathe. I can see stars. Where's my hat? Chubukov कहता है मेरा hat कहाँ पे है? Natalya, it's low. It's dishonest man. It's mean. Chubukov, and you are just a malicious, double-faced intriguer. Yes. मतलब अब लोमोव के लिए वो लोग गलत शब्द यूज कर रहे हैं. Lomov says, here's my hat, my heart. Which way? Where's the door? Oh, I think I am dying. My foot's quite numb. लोमोव अपनी हैट उठाता है और बोलता है काइंडली शो मी द डोर, आई वॉन्ट टू लीव द प्लेस. देन गोज टुवर्ड्स द डोर. चुबुकोव एंड डोंट सेट फुट इन माई हाउस अगेन. चुबुकोव बोलता है यू हैव नो नीड टू कम टू माई हाउस अगेन. नताल्या, टेक इट टू कोर्ट, वील सी. नताल्या सेज दैट नाउ वील सी यू इन द कोर्ट. चुबुकोव, they will take him, walks about in excitement. Natalya, what a rascal. What trust can one have in one's neighbor after that? Natalya बोलती है if the neighbors are like you, then no one can trust the neighbors after this. Chubukov says the villain, the scarecrow. Natalya says the monster. First he takes our land and he has the impudence to abuse us. Natalya says that first he has grabbed our land and now he is abusing us also. Then Chubukov adds, and that blind hen, yes, that turnip ghost has the confounded cheek to make a proposal and so on. What? A proposal? Chubukov says that, and that blind hen, कि वो blind hen, turnip ghost had come with the proposal. Natalia, what proposal? Chubukov, why he came here to propose you? फिर चुबुकोव बोलता है कि वो प्रपोजल लेके क्यों आया था यहाँ पे. नताल्या, टू प्रपोज मी, व्हाई डिड यू टेल मी सो बिफोर? नताल्या कहती तुमने मुझे ये पहले क्यों नहीं बताया कि वो मेरे लिए प्रपोजल लेके आया है. चुबुकोव, सो ही ड्रेसेस अप इन द इवनिंग क्लॉथ्स, द स्टफ sausage, the vision faced frown. So from here we'll continue tomorrow. Okay, have a nice day ahead.